Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain on TCL NXTpaper. So first, go into Settings and search for the battery. Select the battery management and here select the power saving mode. If it's not enough for you, you can always select the super saving mode, but for now I'll disable it. And here also you can click on power consumption details to identify high drain apps. As you can see, the Google Play Store is draining my power the most, so we can just disable the app or just don't use it that often. Now remember to turn down your brightness, or you can always enable the adaptive brightness. Disable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location and NFC for less power drain, and it's not here. And we can use the airplane mode for even better battery. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.